In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide epics from your Kanban board in Jira. Managing your board effectively is crucial to keeping your team focused and productive, so let's dive right in and give you a streamlined board view. First, navigate to your Jira homepage. This is the central hub where you'll find all your projects and tasks. From here, look for the specific Kanban board where you want to hide epics. Click on the board to open it. This will be the focus area for the changes we're going to make today. Once you're on the board, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see three dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to expand the menu. This drop-down offers various options, and for now, you'll want to select Project Settings. Accessing Project Settings allows us to customize how your board functions and appears. After you've entered the project settings, the next step is to click on Board in the left-hand sidebar. This action takes you into the specific configurations for your board, where you can start making meaningful changes. Now, within this section, you will find an option titled Custom Filters. Click on it, as we'll be creating a new filter to hide the epics. It's time to set up your filter. Name your new filter Hide Epic. It's a straightforward name that clearly indicates its purpose, which will help you identify it easily later on if you need to make adjustments. In the Filter Query section, input the following criteria. Issue type, EO, Epic. This specifies that the filter should apply to all issues classified as epics within your board. When the filter setup is complete, click on Create to establish this new filter. With this setup, you've laid the groundwork for hiding epics from your Kanban board view. Now, we need to apply it and see it in action. Head back to your Kanban board. The easiest way to do this is to utilize the navigation options within Jira to return to your project workspace. Once you're back on the board, locate the Filter section. Clicking on Filter will display different options, including your newly created custom filters. Look for your custom filter called Hide Epic and click on it. Once enabled, this filter will automatically hide all epic issues from your Kanban board, presenting a cleaner, more focused workspace for the tasks and issues your team needs to address. And that's it. You've successfully hidden epics from your Kanban board in Jira, making your project management more efficient. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Jira tips and tricks.